Good morning, friends. Welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about L&T Infrastructure Fund Direct Growth Plan. Whether we need to hold this fund or withdraw, or should what we need to do, what will be the strategy we will apply against this fund. See, this fund was not performing well last 2 years, and due to this coronavirus issue, when the markets gone down, this fund is the performance of this fund gone down again. And compared to its benchmark also, the fund is not performing well. But there is a silver line in the coming years, because since the fund is in infrastructure theme, it is possible that the government may spend more into this area, in this theme. The government will increase their spending to revive economy. So in that case, the overall market in this area, in this theme, will perform well. Obviously the fund will also show positive return. So we'll be discussing what are the strategies we need to apply in this fund. L&T Infrastructure Fund Direct Plan Growth option. This fund is a mutual fund which is investing in mainly stocks which are in the field of infrastructure. If you see the overall returns it provided for the last 3 months, it is showing minus 30.9 negative return, and 6 months also it is minus 26.2% negative return, and 1 year, 2 year, 3 year also up to 3 years it is showing negative returns only for the 5 years is showing 2% positive return. So overall, if you are seeing, the fund was showing negative return only, and current NAV is 11.860. So the NAV is below, less than this 3 years NAV, and it got 2-star rating by CRISIL. The speciality of this fund is that since it is investing in infrastructure, so there is a possibility in the coming days, if since due to coronavirus issue the market got corrected, and there is also economy is not doing well, economy is going to at the kind of a recession. So there is from government side, there is a possibility that government may increase the spending, so that majority of money will be coming into infrastructure category. So in that case, few of the stocks in this infrastructure field may get benefited, and by that this fund also may perform well. But if you compare the fund performance before the coronavirus crisis also, the fund was not that much performing well. If you see here in Money Control, the benchmark is given as Nifty 50. Actually we will be comparing the fund performance with Nifty infrastructure index, so that we will get some accurate data how the fund manager is doing, or how the fund is performing compared to its benchmark. If you see for 1 year, it was shown negative 28.7%, and 6 months minus 26, and 3 months minus 30. Means overall minus 25 to minus 30 range it is showing. We'll check what is the index. See, for 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, the Nifty infrastructure is showing negative return, but from minus 15 to minus 20 range. Means more than 10% this fund, our mutual fund, which is L&T infrastructure fund, is performing less than this infrastructure index. Means the fund manager is not doing their job properly, and the fund is very compared to its index, fund is worst performing. So we may need to consider how the investment will be for this fund, how we can what we need to do, what action we need to take, we'll check again once again in this. We'll check what are the stocks here in this fund. Majority of stocks are in ASN, Bharti Airtel, Ramco Cement, Grasim, Reliance. These stocks are good stocks only, but somehow the fund is not performing well. CCU sector allocation also engineering, it's having 32%, cement is 14%, gas, oil and gas 10%. It is that in the coming days, once this coronavirus issue has gone, most affected sector will be, one is banking sector. So in this case, in this fund, banking sector, the allocation is very less. So overall it will be a good for this sector, and government may start spend more in infrastructure area. So there is a possibility that this particular theme, infrastructure theme, may perform well. But since this fund is not performing well right now, we cannot take a concrete decision right now at this point whether to what need to do. But anyway, we should not exit from this fund right now, because the NAV is already gone down around 30%, and if you exit right now, it will be overall will be a huge loss for you, and the notional loss right now showing will be will become converted to actualized loss if you exit right now. You should not exit. If you have a SIP in this fund, you continue your SIP. Do not stop the SIP also. Do not hold it also. You should not withdraw. If you are a new investor, you can allocate some portion of your investable money right now, not as a lump sum, but in portion. And if the market goes down, the fund NAV go down, you can invest the remaining portion. But do not allocate all of your money into this fund, because there is a history that this fund was not performing well 1 year before. So, but there is a good thing is that this infrastructure theme will perform well in coming days. So you can get good return once the market bounce back, or once your investment started showing positive green returns. You stop your SIP, hold the fund, and once you get good return, you may consider to exit from this fund by analyzing at that point of time what is the fund performance with other sector, other funds in the same sector. You can check and compare and accordingly take a decision once you are the fund is showing good returns in your portfolio. Do not exit right now. Do not stop your SIP. You can continue your SIP. If you are new investor, you can invest small portion of your amount, because currently the NAV is so much gone down that you will get good return. And in coming days also, within 6 months, it may go again down, so that you can invest some portion additional amount as an additional investment. But withdrawing will be a loss for you, and you will convert your notional loss to actual loss. So that's for all. Compared to other small cap funds, then other kind of thematic funds, this theme is a very good theme for future days, because as far as the government is concerned, government is intending to spend more, and most of the spend will be coming into infrastructure theme only. If you like the video, please click the like button below the video, and please subscribe to our channel, so that we'll be putting more videos again in coming days, so that you will get the videos in your inbox. Thank you.